And what's up guys, GPStuntMan back again. Quick video here. ASUS ROG scope keyboard. Most likely if you're here it's because you either have a dark keyboard or it's stuck on rainbow effect and you can't get it to sync with the rest of your ASUS peripherals. Alright, so you want to make sure that you have ASUS Armory Crate installed. You don't want to use ASUS Aura Sync. It is now obsolete. And once you open up the Armory Crate, you'll be in Aura Sync, and you'll see that your ROG Strix scope, you cannot select it. So what you have to do is go up here to Devices, click on ROG Strix scope, then go up here to upper right, drop down menu. It should be on default. Click any one of the profiles, even though you haven't customized one. Click on any profile. Then switch back over to Aura Sync. And you'll see now you're able to select the ROG Strix scope keyboard. Once you do that, no longer have a dark or a rainbow keyboard, and your Aura Sync with your whole system will now be synced up. Alright guys, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and if you're having this issue, and if this video helped you to fix it, let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave that comment like I said, and turn on those notifications, and watch out for our next videos. Appreciate you. Peace out.